It is now day 8 of Iceland's latest eruption of the Reykjanes volcano, with this specifically being its 7th such eruption to strike during the last 12 months. One major piece of news is that as of the last 24 hours, this very volcano has surpassed a threshold where now a grand total of 49.7 square kilometers has been collectively covered in a layer of lava since it reactivated in October of last year. However, involving a combined total of 227 million cubic meters of lava, equating to an average lava field thickness of about 4.57 meters or 15 feet in each eruption, this has not all occurred in distinct locations. In fact, the vast majority of the current lava field involves overlapping layers of 2 or more lava flows from separate eruptions, with the chain of craters that has frequently been the source of these eruptions being covered in lavas from up to 6 separate 2023 and 2024 eruptions. A lot has changed at this volcano during the last 96 hours, most notably due to the appearance of its active craters. Whereas eruptive activity had largely stabilized on November 23rd, being confined to 3 active crater rose segments, something changed around 5 to 6 a.m. the following day, as you can see on this tremor chart. 5 to 6 a.m. marks the exact time when a notable drop in lava effusion occurred, causing both the southernmost and central vent, the latter of which had been the vent with the highest lava effusion rate, to thereafter become inactive. Since then, the northernmost segment is all that remains, erupting from a singular growing spatter cone. In other words, what we are witnessing is the final expected stage of an Icelandic eruption, although I want to remind everyone that this stage is generally the longest, having the hypothetical potential to last for days, weeks, or even months. Currently, I only estimate that a mere 6.5 cubic meters of lava is erupting every second, but if you take that figure and multiply it by the number of seconds in a day, it suggests that around 561,600 cubic meters of lava is being added each day. Compared to the current eruption's lava field extent 4 days ago, it has expanded in a number of locations, growing to cover an area of 9.23 square kilometers or 3.56 square miles. Between November 22nd and 23rd, the main expansion of lava occurred due to the river of molten rock created by the then active central vent towards the west, causing 2 lobes of lava to merge and advance by 140 to 780 meters in that direction. However, ever since November 24th, a singular river of lava, as shown in this geolocated footage, has only advanced in one direction, straight towards the east. While this river of lava could continue expanding the field towards the north where there are no even remotely close structures, recent footage has seemingly shown this lava river expanding towards the southeast. This means molten rock is now entering an area of fairly flat terrain surrounded on all sides by higher topography, so lava is unlikely to travel any further, sort of becoming stuck in that region. In other words, no further damage should occur no matter how much longer the current eruption continues for, within reason of course. Regardless, during the next 24 to 48 hours, we have the potential to reach an interesting but arbitrary threshold, as if another 0.3 square kilometers of land is covered by lava, which for reference could hypothetically look like this green shaded region, it would mean that 50 square kilometers of land have been covered by lava from the Reykjanes volcano since December 18th of 2023. As a final note, I would like to thank my new YouTube channel member Elijah Goverdon for supporting my work.